Here we are again at beautiful Lake Rosseau in the heart of Muskoka, checking out the all-new Super Air Nautique G23. We've heard so much about this G23, we just had to see it for ourselves. She's sleek and durable, boasting a brand new hull design based on the award-winning G23 Paragon. Her tall freeboard and deep V entry angle makes for a buttery smooth ride. Now let's talk engines and let's talk power. PCM Marine has been building engines for a long time, and here we are again witnessing a collaboration with Nautique. With a mean 450 horsepower engine and a huge 465 foot-pounds of torque, any engine options available will work beautifully with the G23. Let's take a look at the surf system. The Nautique surf system is packed right into the hull, protected from the elements and connecting straight to the Link Pan-Array touch display at the front. This interface is very user-friendly, allowing you to customize your wave with the touch of a button to create the perfect curves just for you. What's very special is the NCRS, the Nautique Configurable Running Surface. With plane assist on, even with the ballast full, it picks up the boat onto plane nice and swiftly. The NCRS has your back by keeping the bow down as you're turning, so you can turn under heavy loads like nothing. Now let's talk storage. There is plenty throughout. With a convenient cooler in the transom, room for multiple wakeboards in the subfloor ballast, and even more storage under the seats. Speaking of seats, this boat can fit up to 16 people. With flip-ups and seat configuration, all the passengers have the option to face the back and enjoy the show. The driver is in store for comfort as well. The driver's seat is beautiful race car inspired, designed for locked-in comfort and support, making everyone's experience luxurious and comfortable. Getting into more features, with an entirely new curved windshield, navigation lights right within the frame, extended sunshades, and even more amazing features, the Super Air Nautique G23 is truly 2021 ready. And at the end of a long day of boating, you can easily remove the sunshade boot and mechanically lower or raise the flight control tower. With JL audio sound throughout the boat and on the flight control tower, you can now lay back, kick up your feet, and enjoy your day in your Super Air Nautique G23. For more information, visit Nautique.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to Powerboating YouTube channel for more amazing content.